Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in. Now open your profile and tap or click Contact Info to begin. Start on desktop if possible because fields are easier to manage. Once there, choose Edit Contact Info. You'll see sections for email, websites, and phone. Add a new phone entry and select your country code before typing the number. Make sure the number is correct. You'll need it for verification. If you use two-factor authentication, keep that device available. After entering the number, you'll be asked how to verify it. Choose SMS for speed or call if SMS fails. You'll receive a code. Read it carefully and type it into the verification box exactly as shown. Once verified, LinkedIn links the number to your contact info and applies visibility settings. Make sure to set whether it's visible to connections or only you. If the code doesn't arrive, request a resend or switch method and try again. Now finalize by selecting who sees your phone number and then save. You can choose public, connections, or only you depending on privacy needs. Once saved, the number appears in contact info. If verification fails, pause and check your network or carrier message blocking, then retry SMS or request a voice call. If problems persist, remove the entry and re-add it or contact LinkedIn support for account-specific issues. Make sure to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.